So got a little bit more gas, got some full auto here you can test with the Smoke Wolf suppressor. Also just full auto on some of these. You need an adapter that sticks out because the guide rod sticks out enough that if you it needs to be able to move. If you don't have a suppressor adapter, a threaded barrel adapter that sticks out enough, the slide will lock and won't be able to move. So I had to swap out the first one that I tried here to get one that would work on this side and let the slide still operate like it should. The other nice thing about these is when it does the stupid like clockwise, counterclockwise thing, you have a little bit that sticks out that you can use to tighten it up with individually and hold that. So here we go, let's check this out. So it takes a couple of shots to get the smoke going, but once it does, you can see that smoke. Again, the Smoke Wolf suppressor testing here on a gas blowback M4 this time. You can see it is motion detected. It's got some smoke coming already. So, verdict, when it works, we're definitely getting closer to a viable alternative to digital effects. Really nice options for onset. Not only does the smoke really, the light work a lot better because it gives the light something to bounce off of, but it's a nice effect in itself when you see that smoke coming out. That said, we're talking over $100 for a fake suppressor. Only works on shots where the prop's supposed to have a suppressor, and it's a lot of money. And you know, a lot of the appeal of airsoft as props is that they were affordable for indie productions and small shows that can't afford, you know, proper high-tech whatever. And you know, at the same time, the others are getting cheaper. So the ones that are just LEDs now, the LED ones are getting cheaper. So you know, now for like $12 on Amazon, you can buy one of these light units that's, granted, it's in, you know, ugly orange plastic that would never work as a prop. Yeah, you could paint it until it gets worn off a bit, but you pull the innards out of that and you can 3D print something to stick them in. Right, here's a 3D printed housing I've been working on that could work for that suppressor, or you can get, you know, aluminum tubes, aluminum suppressor cans, fake ones from Airsofts, or just, you know, aluminum tube. Get something else on the back end of it. But you know, you might spend like $40 on the aluminum body for the suppressor and $12 on the inside. But you know, now for not a lot of money, for under $30 anyway, you can get a decent LED flash, fake muzzle flash suppressor. You know, perfectly functional. So you know, if you combine the cheap LED one with a smoke machine, you can get a similar effect, but not as nice. So I guess the question is, the price is going to come down on these Smoke Wolf suppressors as well. Will they become available domestically? I know somebody on Instagram who bought, you know, like probably looks like 40 or 50 of them, and had them imported, and he's going to be selling them domestically. But again, the list price is going to be like $160. So, you know, not super cheap. But it's a really cool option to have, gotta say. So, see what you think. All in all, just one more way to stay safe, stay sane, stay healthy, and look good doing it. So, gotta love that. Kevin Inoue, Fight Sounding LLC, and I approve this message.